Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can know every time a video drops. Today, guys, I'm just here to give you guys an update on what's going on. I mailed out the last remaining prizes of the Dragonfruit giveaway. So I'm gonna be tagging those 3 people so they could be on the lookout. I've already sent the email with the tracking number so that you guys could be aware, or you can track it that it's coming to you. And if you don't get it by that particular date, then you can track it yourself. All right, so that's out the way. I pollinated some new varieties. The season is coming to an end, but I had a flower open up a couple days ago. That's a new variety. And then I have a couple of other varieties that are now entering the end of the season. And it's gonna be a little bit slower development with these particular fruits just because it's now getting a little bit colder. So with one of the new varieties, I'm gonna bring you in right here. So this is the Isis Yellow. It's just now starting to turn that yellow color that you see right there. What a beautiful dragon fruit. It has way more to go, but you can see that it's turning yellow right now. We have that going. This one is also turning. You can't see it as pronounced as that one there, but this one is also turning. So we have the Isis Yellow. Last year was the first year that this got fruits, and I harvested a little bit early. So now I'm gonna take my time with the harvest of this particular fruit so that I could get the ultimate in taste. The Brix number, according to other people that I've seen on the dragon fruit chats on Facebook, say that the Brix come in at pretty much a 20 on these. My Brix came in last year, I think about 14 or 15. So it was really, really sour, and it just had a little hint of sweetness. So that's that right there. And I just discovered a bud back there. So that's a new discovery right there. So anyway, as you can see, we still have buds coming, but the season is still winding down. I still have plenty of fruits. As you can see right there, we have those there, and we have fruits that are still green. So this will be the last of it. This is also a new variety right here. Look at that, beautiful. Also, the pomegranates are coming in really, really, really nice. Look at these pomegranates, really nice. As you can see, we got some varieties here that are still green, waiting for these to turn. And then this is also a new variety, and these are starting to turn also, as you can see right here. This one is starting to turn. That one is starting to turn. Beautiful fruits. Absolutely stunning. We have some back there. Haley's Comet. So yes, guys, just a quick update. That's what's going on. That's what's growing on in the garden. I had some of my comrades come through yesterday, and we went to go see the Protege concert.
California, where you say, hey. All right, if you love reggae music, I will be telling you who knows.
I'm sure you guys have seen the clips and the exclusive song that I dropped already. If not my song, but an exclusive song that he did that night, which is not copyrighted, so I can drop that song without getting a copyright strike or anything like that. So I hope you guys check that out. The sweet reggae sounds of Protege. But anyway, long story short, the comrades came through, and you know, of course, they had to pluck their few dragon fruits. So that's just what it is. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.